My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. I am here today with the fantastic Mr. Steve, Mr. Chaos Troublemaker. Yay! He's a man of many titles. And we are here to do a Tuesday tag. Now, this tag was created by Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy, so I will make sure I link her channel down below. And we were tagged by Mr. Roy over at Recipes with Roy. I will make sure to link his channel down below as well. So please make sure you go check out their tag videos and all of their other videos, because quite frankly, guys, they're awesome.
Yep, the Eggman Roy.
The Eggman Roy. Did you make my eggs yet?
Nope, haven't made your eggs yet.
Roy!
Because I'm the walrus. Goo 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 goo.
No. Make my eggs or I'm telling Roy. He won't adopt you if you don't show you. How do you have grass on your eye?
I was mowing and it was windy.
Get off your eye.
Ah! Why?
I didn't.
Fine.
God, see, this is Roy. He needs help. Take him. Take him.
Nope.
I'm trying to put you up for adoption. Stop. Stop. Nobody's going to believe it.
Look it up.
No. You evil, dirty, rotten man.
Alright, let's continue.
What's the name of our tag, you big boob?
Getting ready for Halloween.
Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. That's the only line I know of the song, but I love it.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Alright.
All right.
Party on.
Yep. I'm not for adoption. No, I'm not. Go.
We'll talk later. Anywho, okay, question number 1. Would you ever go to a graveyard at night?
Would I? Not by myself. I would go with you. But I'd have to walk in front and you walk in the back. Because I don't like stuff creeping up behind me. But I can take anything head on.
When I was a teenager.
A teenager? Was it
Yes.
scary?
No. Nope. We did a graveyard and then we went up to a train bridge where a kid apparently got killed.
Oh, Devil's Hollow?
No.
Oh.
We went back there too.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Screwy.
Thank you, dear.
Welcome. It's for effect.
Pretty sure you scared everybody, but it wasn't your musical notes.
Alright, on to question 2.
Cute. Do it again. Sorry, that's getting so old, but I can't help it. It just comes out of my mouth.
I'm going to say this one word like my 20-year-old son says because he hasn't been able to say it right his whole entire life. In a zombie apocalypse.
Poor Sebastian. He tried so hard, bless
You
his
just can't
heart.
get that word.
He would be
Apocalypse.
mean mugging us so bad right now.
Yeah, he would be.
He would already be mean mugging us just for making the video, so what difference does it make?
Yep, so we tease him. It's apocalypse,
Yes.
not apocalypse.
In the zombie apocalypse.
What is your weapon of choice?
I don't know. What do you think? What would I use? Baseball bat? Because it doesn't make a loud noise. Guns and tasers make loud noises and they scare the crap out of me. I had a taser once. I lost it though. That's scary, isn't it? But I couldn't even like practice with it because it scared the crap out of me. It was loud. I screamed louder than the taser. I was like,
Mine would be a guided missile cruiser.
The ship?
Yes. I'm not playing around. If we're in a zombie apocalypse, man, we're going all out.
I don't think my baseball bat would help much.
Nope.
I could tase your ship.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not going to have a weapon. I'm going to be on Steve's ship. You guys can come with us.
Yes.
We're safe.
Yes. All right.
I'm driving, though.
That's fine.
We might not be safe.
I'll fire the missiles. I'm good.
Trust us. We're the chaoses. Oh,
We took that to a whole new level, didn't we?
we usually do.
All right.
Yeah.
Question number 3. Either as an adult or child, would you rather go trick-or-treating or a Halloween party?
I'd rather go to a Halloween party. Speaking of which, Halloween party that we're invited to this year is going to have a band.
Awesome.
Yeah, a one-man band, but it's a band.
Does he have one of those backpacks with like the big bass drum?
That's what I was thinking, like the guy from Mary Poppins. Even that would be fun, though. I would love it.
Awesome.
Yeah. Sorry. Go ahead.
So, as a child versus an adult, though?
Oh, as an adult, I would like to go to a Halloween party.
Okay.
Because I'm very excited about ours.
Me too.
And we can get candy at the party. We don't have to walk as much, too. That's not a good thing to say on a weight loss channel.
No, not really.
The candy or the not walking.
Both.
That's embarrassing.
That's okay.
You never answered.
I said both. That's the same thing as yours. I'd go as an adult to an adult Halloween party. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We wouldn't act like adults.
Nope. Not even close.
Not in our DNA.
All right. Question number 4. You're in a horror film. Are you the first to die, the comic relief, the skeptic, the smart one, the survivor, or the killer?
Comic relief. They don't usually die anyways.
See, I picked you as the final girl.
I'm not the final girl.
Yeah, you are.
Because I'll be in the bathroom on my phone for the whole thing. I'll come out and be like, hey, where'd everybody go? I'm the comic relief, and I'm also the smart one.
Okay. I would say the comic relief for me.
Yeah.
Definitely.
There's Roy.
Mm-hmm.
He just messaged us. Is that Roy? I
I
think it was Roy. He just sent us a message.
don't know.
I'll get back to you in just a minute, Roy.
All right. Do you watch something happy after watching a horror film?
No, do I?
You can watch YouTube. That makes you happy.
Yeah, I usually watch YouTube, but it's not because I just watched a scary movie. It's because I always watch YouTube.
True.
And scary movies.
Like we just
I
watched-
love scary movies. Oh my goodness.
We just watched Poltergeist. I remember that movie being
That's
a
not a
lot more
scary
scary
movie.
when I was a kid.
That was funny.
Mhm.
It was funny.
The cheese factor was high in this movie.
Well, but for its time, I mean, it was a good one.
Yeah. When I
The
was a
clown,
kid,
the clown thing got me. Although it did make me laugh out loud. Still, I mean, just yeah. Okay. I swear we have the longest tag videos in the whole entire YouTube world.
Yeah. Well, we'll move on then.
Okay.
6. While watching scary movies, are you the person who yells at the characters, the person who covers their eyes, or the person who falls asleep?
I don't fall asleep, and I cover my eyes for a minute, but I also yell at them and
I'm yelling.
laugh. I
Yeah.
laugh.
I'm yelling at him. Like you
It's
moron.
my house.
Let's split up. Yeah, that's a smart move.
Don't go in there. Well, I don't yell that. I just it's a lot of you idiots that come out of my mouth.
That's what comes out of my mouth. Is, what were you thinking, you moron? Oh, you're dead. Yep, you're dead next.
Yeah.
You moron. All right, question 7. Are you the one who gets scared or does the scaring?
I usually do the scaring, but if people were brave enough to scare me, I would be scared very easily. Don't.
Boo. I do the scaring. Yeah, I do the scaring. All right, question number 8. Name something you would want to run into in a forest or abandoned building. I don't understand that question. Help me out here.
Name something you wouldn't want to run into in a forest or an
Oh,
abandoned
okay.
building.
Okay.
Wolf
Oh, examples.
or oh yeah.
Or okay.
So we won't. So number 8. Name something that you would not want to run into in a forest or an abandoned building.
What would you want to run into?
Now I'm stuck on monsters. So a vampire, a werewolf, or a snake or a frog.
Well, definitely a frog.
Yeah.
You'd be screaming bloody murder out of
Yeah.
that.
I would rather not see a frog than a vampire. Maybe I could have a conversation with a vampire for a little bit before it killed me. But a frog?
I would say saw type traps in a building. I would not want to run into that scenario. No, thank you. Yeah. All right. Number 9. What is the creepiest thing that has ever happened to you? Oh, I got a story for this one.
Creepiest thing that's ever happened to me?
Mm-hmm.
I've had a lot of creepy stuff happen. I couldn't pinpoint one. What would you say would be the creepiest?
So, as most of you know, I work for the water department in the city that I'm in, and I was over doing a turn on at this old house downtown, and I went down to the basement. Well, of course, there was like a fridge guarding the basement door, so the guy had to move it out of the way for me. And I'm like, okay, well, it was like the first red flag. So I walked down there and I'm like, man, nobody's been down in here forever, because there was this cobwebs everywhere, and it had one of those old spider type furnaces that like you would see in a horror movie anyways. So I'm like, oh, I just want to get this done and get out of here. So part of the way we turn on water is we got to go down and get a read off the water meter, and then we go out and turn on the water. You shut off the valve to the meter, that way in case there's leaks in the house, water doesn't go anywhere. So I went down to the basement, shut the water off. Okay, no problem. Walk back upstairs, walk outside, turn the water on out at the street, come back down in the basement, turn the valve on to the meter. Nothing, no water. I'm like, what is going on here? Because I know I had it turned on in the street. There was no doubt in my mind. It was just one of those easy ones that when you turn it on, you know you got it on. So I'm waiting and I'm just kind of like messing with the valve and like kind of jiggling it back and forth, thinking maybe there was a problem with it. Nothing. And next thing I know, I felt this like hard tap on my shoulder, like a couple pats on my shoulder, and I turn around and nothing was there, and then water started going through the meter. True story. Swear. It freaked me out. I went upstairs, I ran upstairs. I'm like, just need your signature and I'm out of here. And yeah, never looked back.
I think my creepy experiences scare you more than they do me.
Yeah.
Kind of used to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was my creepy little ghost story. All right. Question 10. If someone dared you to spend the night in a haunted house for $100,000, would you?
Do we have to stay by ourselves?
I don't know, that's a good question. I think I could do it by myself.
I would not do it by myself.
I think I could. Yeah.
I don't know if I would. For $100,000, what kind of ghost? Can we pick the kind of ghost?
I don't know.
Is it ghost or is it monsters or demons? If it were just ghost, I would do it.
Yeah, ghost, yes, demons.
But I don't want to do it by myself.
Right. Yeah. Okay. That's it. No bonus questions?
Hey,
all right.
Look at us go.
Yep.
Okay, all right, guys. Well, hopefully you were able to stick with us through that chaos. I would apologize, but it's just kind of how we roll. We are the chaoses. So, anyways, I just look how busy the background looks.
Yeah.
I've got my messy old shelf and then the green screen. Looks like a freaking circus.
Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Thank you. So
Okay.
let's go ahead and tag some people. I'm going to tag Suzy and her husband Mark, or Mr. Eye Candy, over at Suzy's Health Journey. And then I'm going to tag Anna over at Anna's Journey. I always say it wrong. Sorry, Anna. Over at Anna's Journey to a Healthier Lifestyle. So I will link both of their channels down below. Please make sure you stop by and check out their tags. And is there anybody that you would like to tag, or are you just riding along for this one?
I'm riding along for this one.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you all very much for watching. If you haven't already, if you give us a thumbs up, we would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying our content and encourages them to promote our videos, which in turn increases our YouTube family numbers. Speaking of numbers, y'all, I do have my 800 subscriber giveaway down below. The link is down in the description, so make sure you go over and check that one out. I feel like it's a decent giveaway. I definitely had fun putting it together. And we are only 7 subscribers away from our 850 subscriber giveaway.
Where'd that come from?
So, keep them coming, guys. You know, I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you know anybody who you think might be able to handle our chaos, please feel free to share. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye. You were waving really early.
You want to do it again?
No, but just don't do that again.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
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 Can I wave now?
Yeah, go ahead and wave. Yay! Good job.